Hey, what is up guys? It's Rowan from AWM Water Features, and today I wanted to show you guys the project that we were working on today, which was a renovation of a koi style pond, which means that it had bare liner all the way around the inside of the pond. But what we did was, these guys didn't have very good filtration, so they were having a lot of algae and sediment problems. And so what we did was we installed a skimmer for them, which they didn't have before. They just had a submersible pump over there. They just had a submersible pump that sits in the pond and kind of, it leads up to their little flagstone waterfall over here. So by adding that skimmer, we made it so that debris can be skimmed off of the surface of the water before it settles and starts decomposing in the water. And part of what we did for building the skimmer was, as you can see, this area of the pond isn't bare liner the way that the rest of it is. So what we did was we actually built up two kind of little retention walls in there and filled behind them with gravel. And then as you can see in the middle right there, that is a koi cave. So what we did was we took what's called an aqua block, which is basically kind of like a plastic milk crate that you use to make more volume of water in the pond, and then you can set like rocks on top of them and things like that. And we'll usually use them for the ends of our pondless waterfalls. But what we did in this case was we took the end off of it and made it hollow on the inside by cutting some of the middle pieces of plastic that go across. And what that does is it makes it so that the fish can hide in there, and they can actually swim all the way to the back end of the pond over there. So they have that entire area to hide in, which is pretty important, since I don't know if you can see, but they have some actually pretty decent sized fish in here. So yeah, that was the project that we did today. Just got these guys some better filtration and got kind of our walls bermed up a little bit so that there's not as much dirt falling in when it rains. And yeah, so that's pretty much what we did. Hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely be sure to like our page and share this if you found it interesting. And I will see all of you guys in the next vlog.